Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today on the menu we're having some lunch. I've made my favorite broccoli and cheddar soup. I have a couple pickles here that are sliced up, and I have a turkey sandwich, and I just have a slice of cheese and some tomatoes on it, as well as some salt and pepper. It's on white bread, not toasted. Oh, there's a little bit of butter on there too. I am hungry. And I was like, I put my soup on and then I got caught up doing something else. So hopefully this is still good. I was like, it was a little bit burnt to the bottom of the pot, and I was like, okay, yeah. But it's time to eat. I did put a little bit extra cheese in here like I always do. Just get all that cheese stirred in. How are you guys doing today? You doing well? This is probably going to be so hot. I just took it off the stove. Perfect. Yum, yum. Delightful. And I can smell these pickles. Ooh. I was just going to have just sliced tomatoes. And then I saw that I still had turkey like meat in the fridge, and I was like, okay, soup and sandwich it is. Well, initially for breakfast I wanted tomatoes on toast. And then I never ended up doing it. So I was like, okay, for lunch with you guys, I will have the sliced tomatoes. And then the turkey came in. My thumb is actually really sore today. I'm not entirely sure what I did with the splint on. For those of you that don't know, my thumb is broken. I do wear a splint, just like not when I eat though. But yeah, it's just really, I don't know, I need to relax and just let it heal, but like, it's very swollen today. Look at the cheese. Can you guys hear the wind? It's like hitting it's actually really beautiful out today. It just happens to be kind of windy. I mean, it's not like t-shirt weather, but you could definitely go outside and just like a hoodie and enjoy it today. Nathan called me and asked me if I wanted to go for a walk, and I don't. He's like, it's a beautiful day out, and I'm like, it's not that beautiful. It is, but I was saying in my last video, my buffalo chicken dip video, I was like, I have a list of stuff, and I started doing my list of things, so I don't have a straw. Ugh, I hate drinking from a can, honestly. I don't feel like going down and getting one. So yeah, I've started doing my list of things. After this, I'm going to clean my desk and area off so that I can work up here a little bit later. Just making the cheese is like really thin stringing from me. Making some button templates, and then if Scott's able to help me maybe cut some buttons out. I'm going to press some buttons. It's time to clean my desk off. It's just like hoarding stuff again. And yeah, I just need to have a clean workspace. So good. Slippery. Mm-mm. Yum, yum. Ooh. My choice of pickles is the brand name, or the brand Bix. These are the garlic, baby dills, 50% less salt. I think they just taste better when they don't have as much sodium in them. I usually pick a 50% less everything though. Well, less sodium. Yeah, I'm gonna clean off my desk. I have like an old, it was called a Duo. It was a laptop. I don't know if I've showed you guys that before, or maybe on my other channel. It's a laptop, but you can turn it into like a tablet. I'm thinking about, and it's not, we don't use it. I used to sit it on my kitchen counter so that I could watch like movies and stuff, but I started just kind of watching that stuff on my phone, so it kind of became redundant in the kitchen. So we just put it back down in the basement, but I'm thinking about putting it like on my desk or like hanging it somehow, because it actually has like a decent speaker on it. Like when you like attach it to the base. So I might like put it in here somewhere, like on one of my shelves, so that I can sit in here more often, do a little bit more work on my computer when I'm like editing videos and stuff like that. Just to have like, I like sitting in my kitchen because that's where I do a lot of my stuff. I sit at the kitchen table. Excuse me. I know a lot of people, like friends and family and stuff like that, think that I sit at like in my living room, and I don't. I always am sitting at my kitchen table. But I'm starting to get to the point where I kind of want like silence and stuff while I'm doing this stuff, so, which tends to happen, and then I change my mind and I end up going back down to the kitchen. But you know what? For like the week or two that I sit up here at my desk, I want to clean. Excuse me. And yes, I like my sandwiches cut down the center, not corner to corner. But I have cut them corner to corner in previous videos for the aesthetic. She's thick with cheese at the bottom of this bowl. Dang. Sorry for slurping, guys. Cheese. Cheese Louise. Get it? So I watched the series finale of Supernatural the other night. I was kind of talking to you guys about that too. And let me tell you, I may or may not have had a few drinks before it started. So I'm sure my emotions were already heightened. But I cried. I love that show. I definitely cried. And you know, for a show that was on for so long and the characters were so important to a lot of people, I understand how some people did not like the ending, and I don't really want to do spoiler alerts because I don't think that anybody's really... I know there's a couple people that haven't watched it yet, so I'm not sure if you'll have watched it by the time this video goes up, but anyways, I can understand because I was kind of following on Twitter, like people were like live tweeting and then like just, I don't know, just looking at the hashtag Supernatural, people were upset by the ending. But in all fairness, there wasn't really a lot to go to happen. And like, if you really, really like paid attention to it, it just seemed like, yeah, that would happen to Dean. And that is exactly what everyone wanted for Sam. So I'm really going to say. So in reality, they did drive off into the sunset together, like what a lot of people wanted. But like I said, I understand why people are upset. I loved it. I hate how even like a season finale or a series finale, sometimes there's just so much they have to get in to like those like last couple episodes. So I think that's just sort of unfortunate in the way that like that the TV biz goes or whatever. That they have to like cram all the information and everything we want to hear like into those episodes. So it's just sort of understandable that's like, yeah, like all that happened in such a short amount of time. Because in reality, if they're going to drag it out, we need a whole other season. Anyways, I liked it. I definitely cried. Scott came in. Like I said, I was like, nobody's coming in this bedroom from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And no one did come in from that time. Scott came in at 10 o'clock and he was like, he like crept in the door and he was like, are you okay? Excuse me. The only thing I could say was, I don't want to talk about it. And then I thought I was going to get teary-eyed talking to him. And then after a few minutes, I was okay. And then I was just telling him what happened. Anyways, it's a great show. The first season is a lot darker than the rest. So I always tell people, if you can get the key relationships in the first season and kind of look past how dark it actually is, It does brighten and lighten. I mean, for what they're talking about and stuff like that, but the first season is just visibly dark. Great show, though. And they're rebooting, like, Walker, Texas Ranger in January. So that'll be kind of interesting. That'll be fun. Have a new show. I mean, it's just called Walker, but I'm assuming the rest is just sort of a given. Oh. What are you guys watching right now? Like, what's your favorite TV show? All-time favorite TV show, what is it? Also, toasted tomato sandwiches or tomatoes on toast. Anybody? Does anybody actually eat that? Besides me. Because it's really good. Add some salt and pepper. Ow. Okay, well, guys, thanks for joining me for lunch. If you enjoyed my lunch, thumbs up. Ow. Anyways, if you guys want to check out my Instagram, Munchie.Momma, I'll be back in a couple days with another video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm like, I have to clean now because that was really good. I might go take 20 minutes and lay in bed and just watch TikToks. And then clean. I have so much things on my list. I will get it done. Some of the things I will get done today. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.